I pray that I get the life I deserve because I know how hard I've been through. I know the dreams and aspirations deep within my heart. And I pray that whatever happens, I will be happy in the future.
Just wait. Wait. Nobody loves you like I do. Wait. See? Wait. Nobody loves you like I do. Wait. Say that way. Wait. Wait. Nobody loves you like I do. Wait. Mag-walking kami, guys. Kahit umuulan, guys. See?
I think they're for me.
I never have already a present there.
I think they're for me.
I think it's for me. It's a big box full of stuff.
I think it's a love doll.
See here, babe. Oh, it's nice here. Of course not. Yeah. Ah, it's a duck, babe.
Yeah.
Oh, that is nice. May I see? I take photo to the duck.
He's a killer duck. He'll attack you.
A killer duck?
Killer duck.
Really?
Yeah.
Serious, baby?
No,
That's serious. A killer duck. Guys, naglalakad kami kahit umuulan. Guys, umuulan dito. What? Yeah. Still Halloween. Umuulan dito, guys.
Looks like a nice house they built.
Yeah. That babe. You don't have, I know. Oh, still harder. Oh.
There's a lake back over there. Probably that's where they probably stay. You know, just 3 of them over there.